So with Mark, we're going to now apply the Lemon Sage Thickening Spray. It's a great lightweight style booster. The way the nozzle is designed, it's for a really concentrated spray. And what we're looking for with this is to be applying it to his hair to create maximum lift and volume. We're going to start just by taking a comb and kind of isolating and opening up the interior of the top of the hair so that we can get the product all the way into the base. And then lastly, bring this all forward and back. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the thickening spray almost like a wet set on this dry fabric. We can now manipulate the hair by dampening it down with the thickening spray. So I want to start to kind of create this natural shape within Mark's fabric. We're now going to go in with the fine side to the comb and start to just directionally blow dry that front to try and increase the volume and create the shape. Medium airflow and medium heat. With this style, we want to try and use the fine teeth of the comb to control the front of Mark's hair and create maximum volume and lift. And on the sides, we're going to push the direction slightly forward to encourage a buildup of weight near the hairline. We're now going to swap to the thicker sides of the comb and then just work through the top interior. Lastly, we'll remove the nozzle and we're just going to then switch to the cool setting and then work our way with our hands through Mark's hair to get it the rest of the way dry. For the last step, we're now just going to work with our fingertips. And you can see as I kind of put my hand now through Mark's hair, there's a little bit of resistance, and that's what we want to feel from the product. Push things in different directions to kind of build up that shape. Now as we come into the corner here, we want to make sure that we have a consistent head shape all the way throughout. From this point too, there's really no need for any addition of any more product after this point. You can really see the expansion.